Hey guys, Gillian here, and today I'm going to give my work PC a bit of a refresh. I've had this system since I started here and it's getting a little slow and old, especially with all the big files I work with as a graphic designer. So, let's start this PC makeover. I'll be grabbing the PSU and my hard drives and SSDs. And my M.2, I think. I have an M.2, don't I? Or don't I? I don't even know what I have in this PC. It's been so long. Oh, it's so dusty. Look at this. Look at this dust under the PSU. Get in there. Oh my goodness. No wonder I have allergies. Alright, let's take this PSU out.
Approximately 10 hours later.
What the hell? Oh, that's right. Aha! Sorry. Right, I need that. I should have actually done a bit of what's it called? Blow this one out. Sorry. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of dust. Okay. No one's saying anything. Ready?
Go for the tubes.
Okay, so I've got both my hard drives, one SSD, and I have another M.2 in the motherboard. In the motherboard? On the motherboard. So I'll take that one out. And how do I take this out? Okay, so now that I've taken everything I needed from my old case, we're going to start putting it into the new case and adding some new hardware in there too. The first part of my PC I'm upgrading is the CPU. Previously I had a AMD 2700 CPU. While this isn't a bad CPU, for the sorts of programs I use I wanted a bit more oomph. So I'm switching to Team Blue and going with an Intel Core i5 11600K. This CPU will provide an overall nice performance boost, possessing both a higher clock speed and single thread rating. Having a good CPU is really vital for graphic design work, probably more so than every other part really. So I'm making sure to make a solid upgrade here in a single core performance. This CPU will be going in my brand new B560F motherboard. Obviously switching from AMD to Intel means a switch of motherboard too. I'm also planning a RAM upgrade that I will tell you about soon, so an ATX board with 4 slots was vital for me. Next big upgrade for me is RAM. Before I was running 2 sticks of 2400 MHz RAM, and honestly I'm surprised I lasted this long with only 2 sticks of memory. Moving up from 16 gigs to 32 gigs will ensure I have no more issues with my PC slowing down and I can easily run multiple big programs at a time. So 4 sticks of our Z1 RAM at 3200 MHz will support everything I need. Is it A2 and B2?
You have 4.
Oh, me, okay. I'm so used to having like 2. No, you do not have to. Another aspect that really needed an upgrade was my CPU cooler. I was still running the stock AMD cooler, and so after switching to an Intel chip, of course a new cooler was on my mind. With my new CPU, I'll be needing a bit more cooling power than a stock one anyway, so I've gone with our Tough Airs. This was mainly because I wanted to go air cooling over all-in-one, but on top of that, the Tough Airs are just great for moving a lot of cool air through your system fast. Keeping temps low inside my case is vital to help me run the sorts of chunky programs I do doing graphic design.
Now the YouTuber's gonna judge you.
Storage is something I would just be carrying over from my last system as it still serves me well. I have two 2TB HDDs, one 120GB SSD for my OS, and one 500GB M.2 for all my programs. I also use a portable SSD for days when I work at home anyway, so I'm all set. So the next big upgrade for me is the case. I've had the old Versus C23 case for a very long time now. While there is nothing wrong with this case, it is just a little big and bulky for my workstation, so I wanted to downsize. For this, I thought our H200 would do just the job, and it is a smaller ATX size case and still has a lot of the same vibes as the C23 does aesthetically. Despite it looking a bit ancient, I'm going to keep my old PC, which is a 550 watt tough power gold power supply. Yeah. Just want to go in now. Going in before. Am I putting the correct screws?
If they're screwing, then you're good.
That's true. Alright, fans are done. Bam! Bitch. Alright, the final big part I'm changing out is my graphics card. While having the latest and greatest graphics card isn't essential for graphic design, I do use programs like Lightroom a lot, as well as dabbling in some small video production for social media. Because of this, and because we had one available, I'm upgrading to a 3050, because I'm special.
He's a long boy.
Yeah.
Very.
We give it a test. Let's see if it works. Oh my god. I think it's working. Yay. Well, there you have it. Here's my new funky fresh PC all ready to create some sick graphics on. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you did enjoy it, please give it a like and pop any thoughts or questions you may have in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and ding the bell to be notified every time we upload. And while you're still here, check out any of the Thermaltake videos around me. And we will see you next time. See yas! Jill Dog out.